Hi guys, welcome back to another training video. Today we will be discussing how to use the client app web portal and at the same time the mobile application. So this will be in the point of view of our client. So say example, this is the firm and we have already invited the owner of this company, of this test company. So he or she will receive an email with the credentials. So what he's going to do is use this one, copy and paste, copy and paste. So to complete the registration, there's going to be another email that will be sent to their email. So it seems like I am not receiving the verification email, so let's try and hit the recent verification and check our email again. There you go. So this is what the email looks like, and what we're going to do is, so I'm pretending that I'm Johnny Chan, so I will confirm this account, and the account has been verified. So we can close this out. So this is what the dashboard looks like inside client's web portal. So there's a team. We can add our team members. For example, we have a employee who works with us named Paula and Paula Santos. We can just invite Paula Santos test company at gmail.com.ph. Then staff, she's one of my staff, so I can just add her or add whoever works within my company, my company. So this one, chat, so I'll teach you later how to do this. So again, going back to the firm, so let's try to chat Johnny Chan. So let's try add conversation, just John. It's not showing up yet. Johnny, try to, there you go. So I have to click refresh for me to be able to see the name, Johnny. So this is the test company we just did. Then hello, have you received my email, my request for the invoices? So this is the firm messaging the client, so let's try to check this. You can see that it already showed this chat box, so yes, I have sent it just now. Check that. So you can see here on the firm again, it works. So what else can we do there? So let's try to pause this one for a while. Okay, so let's try now to create or assign a task to our client. Let's try first to create a project, or like we can duplicate, for example, monthly bookkeeping, and duplicate this to what's the name of the company, test company, client task. So we want to ask for whatever we are asking. So provide this disbursement slip. So to assign due date, it's gonna be on the 6th. So comment, no comment, delete that. Yep, they're automatically saved. So now let's go here to the client and click refresh. The client will see this task open that he or she needs to provide. So what he or she is going to do is upload the file and Hi guys, so welcome back again. This is a continuation training video on how to use the client web portal. So now we can see we created a task a while ago in the firm asking for a disbursement slip to our client. So when we go now to client.ollie.com.ph and logging in using the credentials given to them, then this is the time that they can see this task open that we just assigned to them. So now let's just click it here, and then we can upload the file, or like if I can drag or drop a file. So for example, like this one, I just uploaded the file, then I will tell to the firm to upload it. Please let me know if you need anything else from me. Then you can comment that one, then close this out. So going back again to the firm app, we will just refresh this and check if our client provided already. No, let's try to open this one. So assuming that this was already provided and the file is correct, we can then close this and let the client and comment to the client, thank you sir Johnny, we're all good now. Then we can click comment, and then once this is done we can change the status to complete, so that on the client side, if we're going to refresh this, the client can see that it's already completed. And then going back to the dashboard, we can see that the task open is now 0 and the task closed is 1. So that is how you use this web portal. There is a dashboard, the task that we just went through, the teams and the chats. So for the files, we can check the internal files. So this is the files that we just provided. You can also delete this one if you want to. And for the updates, there are no updates. Regarding the updates, we can update the client here for the client updates, like add update. For example, approve, need approval for financial statements if read. For example, we need to let them know if file is already read. Then same process, we can assign or upload file. Oops. Upload, we're good. Then comment, or close. So going back here, you can see that, for example, this is a financial statement that needs to be reviewed by me. Then I will open it. Then I will just comment to the firm that I have a question on the P&L side. Please set up a meeting tomorrow 12 noon. So you can see here, and then we can close this. Again, going back here, then going back to the client update, we can see or like refresh first. Johnny Chan, the owner of the best company, said that I have the question of the PL, and then we can create a meeting, then so on and so forth. So that is it. I hope you learned something new today. So if you have any other question or feedback regarding this training video, feel free to email us at support@ollie.com.ph. On the next training video, I will be teaching you guys how to use the application for our clients, for us to have a seamless transactions or communications with our clients. So hope to see you on the next video. Bye guys.